Hi, Mommy.
We just came from
Church?
church. We came from church and now we're out Olive Garden. And I'm playing a game.
Cruz. Okay, let your brother talk. What happened, buddy?
We are at Olive Garden and we just came back from church. And I ordered a pizza. A pepperoni pizza with no cheese.
Pizza, and what else?
News.
I got pizza and fries.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Where are we? Wow. I love you. Beautiful babies. So many. Yay!
She got excited. Not as cute as you, though.
We're gonna go inside the Children's Museum.
I'll go to the too.
All right, let's go.
Mommy, let's see all that's the top first.
Oh, by spinning it?
Yeah.
Okay. Heavy.
I know.
Oh my goodness, hold on. I think you have to pull yourself up. This is the easy one.
How is this easy?
It's supposed to be easy. Can you pull yourself up? If that one's easy and this is hard, it's going to be a struggle. Let's see. Oh, good job. You want to do it too? You got it? Hold on with two hands. Uh-oh, you got it? Woo! F. You gonna pull yourself up? It's going through? Whoa, that happened fast. Put it in, Mommy. Put it in. Whoa.
How am I supposed to shoot? Like this. Okay, let me take her. Put it on everybody.
Can you put my groceries in the bag? This is the airport. You got your suitcase? Okay, there you go. Wow. Go, Mommy. You want to be a dentist? Oh, you want to brush the teeth? The cavities. Okay, let me see you brush. Brush. Faster, Mommy. You're making a paper airplane? Yeah. Okay, so you fold it. There you go.
I wish I could do that.
What did you do?
Yeah, I'm done.
You're done? Mommy, did you like it?
Yes, I like it.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Yep. We went to Water World. That's where my parents